Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create these trending images with the help of AI. First of all, open your browser and search bing.ai. If you are using this first time, then sign in with your Microsoft account. Then this tab appears. If you click on Surprise Me, it will automatically add a random prompt. Now add your prompt. Prompt link is in description. This will take few seconds. And here are the results. You can easily download this by clicking on Download. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.